Good evening to all my crazy friends out there. Welcome to another day one project. Okay, I can't continue the character, but guys, here I am again. Magandang morning sa inyo lahat mga kabaliwan. So, this is a special Halloween episode, and I actually saw this project being made by so many YouTubers, and I really love the way they made their own version. So, what is the project? This is Oogie Boogie costume. For those who doesn't know who is Oogie Boogie, he is from the movie Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, so just check it out. Anyway, so I was thinking the other day to make my own Oogie Boogie costume. Again, same process, but of course, because I'm going to make my own version, I'm going to be adding a twist to it. So, we are going to start. For those who are still new to this channel, I'm a person who loves to create, build different projects, so different things. Okay, so please do not forget to like and subscribe and click that bell button. Remember, it's one day or day one. You decide. Let's do it now. Oogie Boogie costume. So, okay guys, as you can see, this is the basic form or basic shape of Oogie's face, and it's made out of EVA foam. And I just covered the eyes and the mouth with black stockings, and you can see some of the burlaps sticking everywhere, all over the face of Oogie, because I did some test fit before. Now this will be the final fitting of Oogie Boogie's face with our burlap. So let's do this. Okay, so draw an outline of your body, just like what I did. So ask someone to do it for you. Just lie down, and I hope you can see it. So the basic shape of Oogie is, it's going to be like a bell shape. Okay, so let's do it. So now we have the lines here. Fold it in the middle. Then one single cut to make everything symmetrical. I have here another, it looks like a burlap, but it's not a burlap. It's close to the color of my burlap here. So I'm going to make a pocket inside Oogie's belly area. So it will turn out to be like this. It's like a kangaroo pouch, but only from the inside of the costume. So I actually made two of these, one in front and one at the back to make everything symmetrical, not just in front and also at the back. Then we're going to put some stuffings to make Oogie much more wider and much more bigger. Okay, so we're going to make 2 pairs of these. Okay, so meaning to say you will have 4 pieces. So again, we're going to make 2 pairs. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces of burlaps. Again, we'll do the same process what we did to the hands. Okay guys, so this is actually the material that I'm going to use for to stuff Oogie Boogie, and this is a very cheap material, and also I can actually recycle it as a filter for my aquarium, since you know that I am also an aquarist. This is actually the material that they use for filtration inside your sump filter or any filtration device. So this is a good material. So right now I'm going to put this inside Oogie, and remember the pouches that I made. I hope you can see it. Okay, insert it inside the pouch. So I actually inserted already the first one in front, and now I'm actually inserting this material also the front, and now we have the back. So this is how it looks like. Next is I actually glued the hands of Oogie, the arms, and then I actually left the shoulder area open so that you can have access if you want to wear the costume. And of course I used Velcro to close it. So this area here will be covered by the mask. And then at the here, the bottom part here, this is where you're going to insert your feet. So this is the head of Oogie. What I did here is that I hope you can see it. I actually added some LED light inside Oogie, and this will bring much more creepier looking Oogie. Okay, so this will be the feet, okay, or the legs of Oogie. And so if you have rubber bands, or if you just tie them properly so that they won't, slip off your feet. Yeah. Okay, that's it. And of course, ask someone to fix the Velcro so it's like this. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Let's go. Yahoo!